In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Facebook friend requests from everyone. Many of us want to keep our social media interactions limited to people we know personally, and I'm here to guide you through making this adjustment on your Facebook account. First, we'll start by opening your Facebook app on your mobile device or logging into Facebook on your desktop. If you're using the app, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. On a desktop, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner. Now, locate and select Settings Privacy, and then tap on Settings. These options might be placed differently depending on the kind of device you are using, so make sure to scroll patiently and find them. Once you are in the Settings menu, look for the Privacy section. This is where we can manage who can contact you and how they can find you on Facebook. Go ahead and tap on the Privacy settings, which will direct you to more specific privacy controls. In the Privacy settings, scroll until you find the option labeled How People Find and Contact You. Under this section, we need to focus on the option Who Can Send You Friend Requests. Tap on it, and you'll typically see two options, Everyone and Friends of Friends. Here is where the magic happens. Select Friends of Friends. By selecting Friends of Friends, what you are doing is preventing people who have no connections to you from sending friend requests. This setting narrows down the individuals who can attempt to interact with you on Facebook to those who have at least one mutual friend with you. Let's recap why this step is crucial. By limiting friend requests to Friends of Friends, you ensure that only individuals connected with your existing circle can reach out, which helps protect your privacy and keeps random strangers from accessing your profile easily. Remember, these changes are instantly saved once you've selected the option, so you don't have to worry about clicking a Save button. If at any point you wish to revert back and allow requests from everyone, you can follow the same path and select Everyone again. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage who can send you Facebook friend requests. I hope this process gives you more control over your social interactions on this platform. Feel free to explore other privacy settings while you're here to ensure your profile is tailored to your desires. Thanks for joining me today, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a fantastic day ahead.